Today at Discovery Green, we present our World Percussion Workshop for kids, and it's part of Discovery Green's 2003 Fundamental Spring Break celebration. So, two things. Music introduces our children to history, art, and culture. Secondly, it helps them to understand, as the event says, fundamentals. So we're going to talk about not only drumming, but music, how to play rhythms, how to work together, how to create art and history and culture. They'll learn about the names of the drums. They'll learn about different ways and sounds they can make on the drums. And most importantly, have fun. Fundamentals. Remember where you're going to put your hands. So right hand is in the center of the drum, that's our bass, and left hand is on the edge. And so we're going to play that rhythm. Bass, bass, bass. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm very excited to be out here because I get a chance to share music with a whole nother generation of children. I get to share music with all the people in the city of Houston who come to visit the park this spring break. And most importantly, I always want to emphasize, I want to share with them that they too could become our future musicians. Just one little opportunity like this can inspire a young person to want to get in band in school, or want to take private lessons, or want to play music at their churches or synagogues or mosques. That's good, that's good, that's good. 8 notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we talked about another note that equals 1/4 of a beat. Everybody say 1/4. Now I know everybody likes money. How many quarters in a dollar? 4. That's why we say it's a quarter. Music has a spiritual effect on people. It has an educational effect on people, and it has a cultural effect on people. I say spiritual because all music comes from God. That's how He communicates with mankind. Educational because we add an educational component to everything that we do. We teach them how to count rhythms, what a music note is, and how the length of that music note fits in with the rhythms that they're going to play. And most importantly, we want them to come away with something that they can remember for their 2023 spring break. The ultimate goal is to expose all kinds of people from different places to the culture of African music, the culture of African people, and to let them know that they too are a part of this. Because, you know, we think of ourselves based on our origin, our race, our creed, but ultimately we all are a part of the human race. So as we share cultural and history and art, we all tend to get to know one another and know that we're really not that different.